Share the spotlight with your content by creating a video in Prezi Video on both Mac and Windows. Here's how. With the app open, click Create New Video. Start by adding your content. Add some text, and then find images from your computer, search for one in our library, or simply drag and drop one onto your slide. You can also import some slides from an existing PowerPoint deck if you'd like. To keep you on cue, try adding presenter notes over here. To add another slide, click the plus over here on the left, and then add more of your content. You can easily reorder your slides by clicking on one and then simply dragging it up or down along the sidebar. If you want, you can also delete a frame by hovering over the thumbnail and then click the X. After you've added your content, select Templates to find the right style. Once you're ready, click Record to record a video and save it as an MP4 or upload it to your online Prezi dashboard. Or simply go live. Just open up your video conferencing tool of choice and join your meeting or call. You'll see Prezi Video automatically connect. You can also check to make sure the Prezi Video virtual camera is selected. While presenting live, you can also make changes to your virtual presentation on the fly. Tweak some text or update some numbers right in the moment. Don't forget to save what you've created. That way, you can reuse the content for a future recording or virtual presentation. And once you're finished, simply close Prezi Video. And that's it. Now it's your turn to create your next amazing video in Prezi.